Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus stuck on Samsung logo in a loop. Let's go. Okay, so what we need to do is you are stuck on a Samsung loop. What you need to do? You need to force restart your phone. And how to do that? You hold volume down and power button for 7 seconds. 5, 6, 7. As you can see, it is restarting, and I will be back after it restarts. As you can see, my phone has restarted. I need to put the pin in. You maybe need to put your pin in too, because it could work and your phone is fixed. But if it didn't work, what you need is Type-C cable, and you need to plug it into your laptop or computer, or you can have Type-C to C cable and plug it into other phone. Okay, so what we are gonna do, we are gonna plug it in. As you can see, it's connected, it's plugged in, everything's fine. Then what we are gonna do, we are gonna restart your phone. You just need to force the restart again, but I'm gonna do it like this, and you hold volume up and power button. So let me show you. As you can see, we entered the recovery mode, and what we are gonna do. And do you know how to move in recovery mode? You use volume down to go down and volume up to go up. Okay, so we are gonna wipe cache partition, which is here, and to enter it, we click power button here, and then we go to yes. As you can see here, wiping cache, formatting cache, and cache wipe complete. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna reboot system now. Or we can power off and do it again here and reboot system, but we don't need to do that. We are gonna just reboot system. Okay, and we are gonna wait. Okay, as you can see, my system is rebooted. Let's enter pin after restart, and your phone should be all fixed now. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day, and I hope your problem is solved. Goodbye.